Hey guys, welcome to Budget Gadgets PH. Guys, before anything else, do remember to always stay safe and healthy. Today we are going to unbox Tylex X-C26 3.5 audio cable with 360-degree rotation. This costed me 109 pesos or roughly above $2. The same as the previous products on the previous videos, I bought this from Lazada on a discount. If you're wondering why all the products that I unboxed so far are from Tylex, it's just that I was online shopping for things I need for studying, and I need audio devices to isolate myself from the outside world and delve into these thick law books, as you can see at the background. And I am as well on a budget, so I chose Tylex. And based on what I saw, I guess Tylex has good products, and I guess their products would make do with what I need. So I ordered them. Now on the unboxing, the product is inside a carton box. The box itself is well designed. Upon opening the box, you are greeted with a plastic tray which holds the product. And there's your two 3.5mm jacks. One of the jacks can be rotated. It can reach 360 degrees. But on the jack itself, it says that you can rotate either way so long as it is only until 180 degrees. Because if you're going to rotate the jack to a full 360, there's a probability that the wires inside will break apart. So, good thing that they have that precaution there. I almost overlooked that detail actually and had their jack rotate the full 360. Overall, the product is robust. It is solid and highly recommendable, especially considering the price you are paying for it. It is a reliable gadget, especially and definitely if you are on a tight budget. I actually bought this because I need it if ever my Tylex MSK wireless headphone will lose battery, so I can just plug a headphone jack and still use it. The review for this product will be together with the Tylex MSK1 wireless headphones. Please leave a thumbs up and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because I will upload more unboxing, review, and gadget news videos in this channel. This has been Budget Gadgets PH. Until the next video, see you and stay safe.